morning, Rashad here with Exquisitely Clean. My quick little short review of DIY's new product. It is DIY Details Envie. It is a ceramic detail spray. I compared it with what I thought it was, which is Technician's Choice 582, and it is a no buy for me. My results come from it is exactly the same as Tech 582 at a fraction. Well, not a fraction, but this is significantly more expensive. Tech 582 is $34, 30 bucks for the gallon. This is $100 a gallon. You can actually dilute this 1-to-1 and stretch it, make 2 gallons, and cheapen your cost even more. And this has been on the market forever. Everybody uses it. It's perfect. It does everything this does. The only one thing that I don't know if this will do that they claim does is the interior panels, but I don't even see why this can't do it. And that's only because I've never done it and I didn't do the legwork to see if it can do it. But paint, plastic, trims, wheels, glass, windows, they're both the same. The only thing, another major complaint was this, is when I was doing testing on my panel, and I purposely oversprayed to see if it would streak smudge. It definitely streaks smudge. That's why they're big on the 1 to 2 sprays per panel, because if you go a little bit more, it will streak on you like any other ceramic detail spray. Tech 582, you can put 10 sprays on a panel and it won't smear smudge, especially if you have it even diluted. The only plus to this that I found in my testing was it has a little bit more durability. When I say a little bit, in my testing, 1 to 2 extra washes with a higher acidic wash, it outlasted this. So that's my testing. Everybody's testing is a little bit different. But yeah, that's it. If you're looking to use it in the fleet as a every vehicle product after wash, like I do, I use Tech 582 for every vehicle that I use. Every detail I do gets this on wheels and paint. It gets it on the car. This can do the same thing. Don't get it twisted. It's a great product, but it's just expensive, and you can get the same thing for the 30 bucks for the gallon versus the 100 bucks a gallon. And like I said, you can dilute this 1-to-1. This is not recommended to be diluted at all. Apparently, according to their video, as they say if you use it, you're just going to use more product diluted in the long run. So it's a do not buy for me when you already have something that does the same thing. We already know as detailers that you try to keep your chemicals to a minimum, and I'm not going to say there's no room for it, but as an enthusiast or somebody that just don't care with money or whatever the case is, you can buy it. It's a great product. But if you already are running Tech 582 or any other ceramic detail spray that you use on paint, glass, wheels, tires, there's no other reason to purchase this, as these products already do it, and they're way cheaper. Like I said, 30 bucks, 100 bucks. Dilutable 1-to-1 for sure. I run it. Non-dilutable, as they say in their video. So yeah, those are my little quick review.